Hello guys, welcome back to Excel Walk. My name is Martin Wanjohi. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Excel to identify special characters in any given cell box. Now stick around until the end to learn how to do this in Excel easily and even while using VBA. So let's get into it. Now, there are a few different ways of identifying if a cell box has special characters. However, Microsoft Excel has not yet given a special function to identify this. So what we have to do is to make one using the custom provided functions that Excel offers. And we are going to do this by using the normal procedures, normal functions that are available in Excel. So this is what we have. Let's say we have a column which contains this data, and we want to identify any any cell box that has any special character that is like this one, and this one, and to identify it. So the way we do this is to use a special function called sum product and also is number, and we are also going to be using another function called search function. So this method checks for the presence of any standardized characters by specifying a range of special characters to look for within the text in that specific cell box. So this is a special function that I have managed to get online from a website called the Spreadsheet Guru. It's a very nice website if you want to learn how to use Excel. So I borrowed this formula from that specific website. So this website combines the function of sum product, is number, and search function. And then inside the formula bar, inside those brackets, it displays or it spreads the each and every special character that is known to Excel. So here is everything, and then at the end it's going to specify which cell box it's going to look into. So in my case it's going to look into A2, and then it's going to check if it is greater than 0. So this is just a simple way of saying if it is so, then it is supposed to return 0 function. If it is so, it is supposed to return true. Otherwise, it's supposed to return false. So I'm just going to press enter and look at what it has done. So let me just autofill this all the way down, and you will see that in the next adjacent cell box, in the cell box downwards, it shows false, while the rest, it shows the way it's intended, as long as it does not have a special character. So as you can see, this is a very easy way of identifying how to use your how to know if a certain data box or a cell box has special characters. Now you might ask yourself, why would I need to use this, Martin? Well, sometimes you might be given an Excel which has like 10,000 emails, and in those emails there are some people who just write fake emails. So you'll find that they have included an email with a special character, of which most email providers do not allow you to create an email in that way. Like let's say Gmail cannot allow you to put special characters on their Gmail. The last time I checked, I don't know if they have changed that, but according to my last recent check, they do not allow you to put any special characters. So what I came to realize was that when I'm using Excel, most of the time you find that maybe if you get data, you might find data that has been maybe populated the wrong way, or even during the process of transferring or the data reaching to me, maybe it was corrupted. So you find some certain data pieces containing special characters that were not there before. And so uh, this is where this function comes in handy. This function allows you to be able to identify those culprits and to be able to maybe use them or disband them so that you can be able to get back to having data that is clean, presentable, and neat. Now, you can go ahead and also include special indicators. Maybe you do not want to use true or false. So we can maybe substitute true with a tick or with an X and false with a tick. So that's it for today. This has been Martin Wanjohi from ExcelWork. Hope this was easy and fun and also doable. If you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to maybe add something on top of it, you can let me know on the comment section, and I'll be happy to read them and to also reply. And if you'd like me to make a video on targeting at a particular subject on Excel, you can let me know on the comment section. This has been Martin. Until next time, keep working.